So if you've seen any other of my Thailand videos, you know we keep it really cold in our room because we like to sleep in a really cold room. But it is hot and humid in Thailand, so every time I walk outside and start talking to the camera, the dang thing fogs up because, you know, physics are real. But I'll just keep wiping the screen and try to be aware of it. I'm trying to do better, y'all. I appreciate your patience while I get this worked out. YouTube technical difficulties. Life is good. Hey y'all, thanks so much for clicking into this video. If you haven't been here before, then thanks for stopping by. My name is Lori. Welcome. This is my husband, the captain.
Hello. Oh, wait a minute, Paige.
We are currently vacationing in Thailand with some good friends of ours, Paige and Chuck with No Time to Be Sad, and we're on the island of Koh Lipe. And this is our second day on the island, so this day is going to be a pretty chill day, and that's my kind of day. I love those pretty chill days on the ocean. We're getting ready to head down to the ocean and just hang out and float and enjoy our lives in the water for a little bit. You want to come with us? Let's go. Let's go set your stuff. I'm gonna go set my stuff down right over here by Paige's. Is this not a most beautiful ocean? That catamaran behind me is the boat that we took our sunset cruise on last night from the last video. If you haven't seen that one, you should check it out. I'll link it here. In that video, we took a cruise all the way around this island of Koh Lipe, and it was absolutely stunningly beautiful.
Oh, there it is.
You got another one coming?
Oh,
Look, it only takes me to here. It takes her all the way up. So that was an awesome time in the ocean, but now we're headed over to the pool. We're gonna have a cocktail and hang out in the pool for a little while. Let's go do that. You should come with us. Let's go. So it is time for a poolside cocktail. You can't go wrong with that, right? So orchids are my favorite flower, and this particular resort has orchids everywhere, and they're just beautiful. I love flowers. Hi y'all, so we have had some beach time, we've had some pool time, and now it's lunchtime because I'm hungry. So I get a little angry when I don't eat, and hangry is not a good look on me, or really anybody. So it's time to grab some lunch. Such a big menu, it's hard to pick something. Everything looks delicious. Y'all, I just absolutely cannot get enough of this view. It's so beautiful. I just want to take it all in, soak it all up.
you know that video you said I always have food envy?
pineapple fried rice.
Here's it. God, that looks way better. I should order that. I looked at. I think that's.
Yum.
That looks really good.
Do you want a bite? So we've had a great lunch and now it's time for a Thai foot massage. This is going to be such a treat. I'm so excited. Okay, we just finished our Thai massage by the beach and it was amazing. How are you feeling?
Relaxed.
Yeah. Highly recommend.
Yeah.
So y'all, this is our last evening on the island of Koh Lipe. And it's an absolutely beautiful evening. I'm gonna be sad to leave tomorrow. What about you, babe? Anyway, we're getting ready to walk down the beach and have some dinner and drinks and enjoy our last evening on the island. Come with us. We asked him to turn the fan on so I don't continue to melt in Thailand. So we made the happy hour, and that means all the cocktails are buy one, get one free. So here we are.
Double fisting.
Yeah.
Cheers, y'all.
Cheers to Thailand.
We look like rookies over here.
Cheers to Thailand. Yeah. So the end of another great day, great night in Thailand. Unfortunately, this is our last evening on the island. Tomorrow we'll be taking off back to Krabi, but next time, yes, tomorrow we're taking off back to Krabi, but we're gonna stay in the city and check that out, see what that's like. So come with us and we'll see you then. Bye, y'all.